Welcome back to Miller's Construction. I finally got my hands on the new Flex 3/8 stapler. As a guy that does general construction, remodeling, we use a ton of staples. And I've been rocking a different brand for quite a while and it's been doing just fine for me, but I am so excited that Flex is starting to kind of break into some nailers, staplers, things of that nature that's gonna help me stay in the Flex platform, and I'm not gonna have to worry about other battery systems anymore. So this is just another addition to the Flex lineup. Let's get this thing opened up and see what it's all about. There it is in all its glory, the new Flex 3/8 stapler. What am I gonna use this thing on? Let me just tell you. Insulation, house wrap, seal sealer on the bottom plate underneath the wall. We use staplers for everything. Drywall corners, vinyl bead, outside corners, all that good stuff. We use staplers for everything. Right off the bat, what do I notice about this thing? It feels extremely familiar. It feels like the other stapler that I've been rocking for 5, 6, 7 years. So I like that because it's been a good stapler. But what I like about this one is it's thinner bodied and it does have lights on it. I don't know if my other one's got lights or not, so that's a big plus. Right here on the side, I'll get you up close and personal. We'll take a look at this thing, but we've got a depth to drive adjustment. We've got rubber overmold protection here on the sides, so that if you lay it down on a finished surface, it's probably not gonna mar it up too bad. So that's kind of nice, and it'll kind of keep it in place too. Here it is up close and personal. So this rig does fire 3/8 staples, just like the Arrow crown staples. It does have bump and sequential mode, and it will shoot up to 5,000 staples on a charge. I'm not sure how they tested that, if that was with a 5.0, a 2.5, I'm not real sure. 3 staples per second though, and the weight, 2.81 pounds without a battery. It will shoot 1/4 inch to 9/16 leg staples. Right up here on top, you can see we've got our depth to drive adjustment, and it gives you an indicator right there on top. See, as I'm rolling that, see how it's backing the staple out? I love that they give you a visual indicator. So we got these parts in a bag. Obviously, this is the belt clip, and there's the fastener to attach the belt clip. But check this little dude out. Now this is cool. This is really cool. This can mount right on the top of the stapler. And now you've got basically a guide right here for wires. So you could install like Cat 5 or Cat 6 with this, maybe some phone wire or whatever else, I don't know, fiber. You can place the wire in between one of those joints and that'll get it started so that you're not, you know, poking through your wire. I think that's really cool. And then if you're not using it, all you've got to do is clip it off, turn it around backwards, and there you go. It'll stay kind of buttoned up and out of the way, or you can just completely take it off if you want. But I think that is just a cool feature that Flex has added that I haven't seen on any other staplers. So that's nice. Let's get this thing loaded up. Let's shoot some staples with it. How about that new 2.0? Yeah, this battery just came out. Check Lowe's, Acme tools. This thing is tiny. I love it. There it is with the battery on. Let's try it right there. Wow. First shot fired. This is maple, like I said. It's pretty hard stuff. Go a little deeper if we can. Okay. Pretty consistent. This one's a slight bit prouder than those two. It's not bad. We got one proud right here. That's not bad at all. That is so much faster than my other one. Yep. Get it flush. You good?
I'm flush.
Got one in it. I got it. All right. Okay. I get it. I'll just step on it. So what's my thoughts on the new Flex stapler? Well, I really like it. The new 2.0 battery on there is a game changer as well. I still have full bars after driving quite a few staples today, and I was using that on my impact driver as well. So that's impressive, but the stapler itself, would I recommend this as a purchase for you? Absolutely, 100%. And this is one of those tools that even if I was not in the Flex lineup already, I would recommend it. It's that good. I'm liking that I can see how many staples are left in the stapler. You can see, it's kind of hard to see right now on camera because there's not very many left in here, but I can see the entire row through these slots. And I got used to glancing down at that as I was stapling with it. So that was really nice, but comfort is there. I mean, speed is there, power is there. None of them are underdriven. They're driving it exactly where I want, and I've actually got it backed off just a little bit because I don't want it to blow all the way through the house wrap. So I really, really like this thing. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this rig. You can get it at Lowe's right now. It's available right now from Flex, and a full lifetime warranty on the tool or any batteries or chargers until the end of 2024 as of right now, if you register the tool within 30 days of purchase. So it's awesome. I love Flex tools. They have worked out great for us on our jobs, and I recommend them. So if you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button at the bottom and click subscribe too if you're not a subscriber already. I really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.